Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a spring reset for this bed. We are removing all the spent plants and preparing for a productive spring planting. So the first thing we're going to do is remove our netting. We had the netting on to keep squirrels out of the bed. All right. These are spinach plants that have bolted, so we're just going to go ahead and remove them. And these look okay. They don't look sickly or anything like that, so later on I'll put them in my compost bin. And next, we're going to go to the cabbage and see what we can harvest, and the rest we're going to pull out also. Now these, because they're bigger, I'm going to just pull up the roots and shake off as much of the dirt as I can. We're going to remove our irrigation system and the pins holding it down. And next, I'm gonna get my hand rake and rake up some of these leaves and mulch and get rid of them. So the bed is nice and clean. We've removed all of the old plants and a lot of the mulch. And now we're going to add some fresh soil on top of it, some compost, and some amendments. So we have the soil in and we have added the amendments, and now we're going to mix everything in. Now the compost that we're using is my compost made from my Bagel kitchen composter. And just like that, we're done. I'm going to smooth this out and I'll be finished with amending my bed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got something out of it. Hope you learned something. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Have you all started amending your beds for spring planting? I surely hope so. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.